This video is about Agentforce in Salesforce. Recently, there is a lot of hype happening about Agentforce. Let's understand what is Agentforce, how Agentforce works, how it's going to make our life easier, and future of Agentforce AI in 2025. First thing first, what is Agentforce? In one word, it is AI-powered assistant built right into Salesforce. This is a personal digital teammate. Instead of thousands of Salesforce agents, basically your service agent, sales agents replying back to the queries, you have your bot, which is called your Agentforce, powered by Salesforce AI, sitting there and helping you in scaling your business, whether it's your sales pipeline, your customer relationship, or business insights, all in real time. But how it's working behind the scene, it uses automated insights, basically your data, to process that information, and it uses the natural language processing called NLP so that you reply back in common English like language. For example, what's my top performing products this quarter? So it uses the Agentforce in normal English language and reply back in that. It helps in time saving because you can automate a lot of your follow-up tasks, like you're creating your reports. Your Agentforce handles your repetitive tasks like focusing on closing the deals and building that relationship. And just one layer deeper, just one step deeper, the key components of Agentforce are Einstein AI, which was there in Salesforce from 2016. It uses predictive analytics and insight. Second is the natural language processing, NLP. For example, show me my top performing leads this month. This is what giving instructions to Agentforce in a English like language. You have another component is generative AI, which is like Salesforce chat GPT. So it drafts your email, your marketing campaigns, your customer responses. Another is your automation tools. It uses flows with AI, so which creates your follow-up reminders, your remote generations. Plus it uses the cloud computing using the data cloud, so that all that cloud infrastructure to ensure real-time processing based on the information that is your data that is available. How it's making our life easier? For example, I'm a sales rep. Instead of manually tracking the emails or calls or follow-up, everything will be done by Agentforce. It is available 24/7. Imagine I'm a manager. Instead of my crunching my numbers, creating those reports, ready automated insights, or which will help me make my decision faster, we have Agentforce for you. Now, what is the future of Agentforce in 2025? To me, this will be hot selling proposition because AI is coming everywhere. So Salesforce have to adapt. So that's why they came up with Agentforce AI. So first is predictive AI, which will not only tell you what's happening now based on the information, but will predict the forecast in the future. For example, where we'll get more conversions, which product will sell more. Second is your hyper-personalization. Basically, it's deliver your customer experience personalized to that individual because it's available 24/7 and it builds that relationship with the client, so they get a catered service available using Agentforce behind the scene. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to create your first Agentforce, we have done a video already. I'll give the links in the description. Follow us for more Salesforce videos. Thank you.